Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is easy way to make potato starch. Potato starch is starch extracted from potato. You can use potato starch as a thickener in varieties of recipes like pastries, pie fillings, instant poundings, and soup. Potato starch are all-round recipes. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The recipe we have for the potato starch is set on the countertop, which is Irish potato. On the other hand, you can feel free to use any potato of your choice, okay? And I've washed this already, though I will still wash it after peeling it, okay? Next, we are going to peel the potato one after the other. Please be very careful while peeling the potato. You can use your potato peeler or use knife, anyone you lay your hands on. They all goes, okay? Potato starch have a lot of health benefits, of which we will be telling you some of them, and then you go to know more by yourself. Potato starch may improve insulin sensitivity, which means that it can play a role in reducing a person's risk of developing obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Potato starch can improve digestive and colon health, which means it can help reduce a person's risk of developing a number of digestive issues. Resistant starch may improve weight loss effort, which means any individual who eat resistant starch also had increased level of compound that help them feel less hungry in the morning. Resistant starch in the diet may aid weight loss effort by increasing the feelings of fullness after a meal and increasing the length of time a person feels full. These and many more are the health benefits of potato starch. After peeling it now, I will cut it in chunks and rewash again to avoid too much of that brown color that normally come out from potato. But please, I cannot be able to show you that part to save time. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video to your neighbor, and tell your neighbor to share to another neighbor. Drop your beautiful comment to encourage us, because what we are doing is not easy, okay? For me, because of a lot of work on my head, I don't like wasting time on a particular thing, or may I say, I don't like doing a particular thing all day. For that reason, I'll be using my juicer to extract the starch. You can use your blender, add water and blend until it becomes puree, okay? Now, as you can see, the juicer is extracting the starch directly without involving much water. What you are seeing in the bowl is starch. There is no two ways about it, okay? Hope you can see that very well. After extracting the starch, next is to remove the paste from the juicer or remove it from the blender if that is what you are using, and rinse with water if you are not going to use the paste for flour. But for me, I am not going to rinse with water. I will be squeezing out the remaining starch with a cheesecloth, as you can see, and then dry the paste for potato flour. You know, if I rinse with water, almost all the nutrient from the potato is gone, and there will be no need of drying it for flour. After squeezing out the remaining starch with a cheesecloth, I will add it up to the one I used the juicer to extract. This is the stuff. I got potato juice and starch. Remember, I do not add water. I will cover it and keep in a cool place for 2 to 3 hours, preferably in the fridge, not freezer. After 3 hours, this is the starch. As you can see, it has finally settled down. Drain the water on top to get the starch. This is the starch. This is the potato juice from the starch. Remember, I do not add any water. This is raw potato juice. Don't mind the brown color. That is potato for you. You can throw it away if you so wish, but there is no waste in potato. It is very good for your facial treatment. Here is the potato starch with a clean water I added after draining the juice out of the camera. And I allow it to settle down on the clean water for 10 more minutes. The reason of adding the water is to get rid of all the brown color, or some people call it black color, of potato juice, so that it won't affect the color of the starch, okay? Now I will also drain this water here to get that pure white color of potato starch. After removing the water, this is the starch. I will now use a clean kitchen towel just like so and clean the top well so that we will get that sparkling white. This is the starch. I am scraping it out from the plate as you can see because it is very strong. After that, I will spray it on the tray and cover with a transparent cloth to avoid dirt and dry on the sun for like 2 to 3 hours. The starch does not waste time to dry if the sun in your area is very high. You can as well use the hydrator to dry it if you have one, okay? This is the potato starch. It has dried. It did not even take me up to 3 hours. It took me 2 hours because the sun in my area is very high. Next, transfer it to a blender and blend until it is fine powder or smooth. After blending, sieve it if you so wish, but for me, my blender is so strong. This is the blender I use for my DIY powder. Our channel is the home of all DIYs. Here our potato starch is ready. Can you see how easy and simple it is? This took me less than 4 hours to make it. If I can do it, you can also try it. You can as well make your own DIY potato starch at home. There is nothing bad about that. You can use this potato starch as a thickener for your soup, gravy, sauce, pastries and more. This is what some people regard as waste from potato starch. Some call it potato paste while some call it potato chaff. Please, what is the real name? Drop it at the comment section, okay? I am using it to make a small flour, but you can throw it away if you don't have all the time. After spraying it on the tray just like so, I will cover it with a transparent cloth and dry it outside for 3 hours as well. After 3 hours or 2 hours, the potato is dry. Now I will blend it until it is fine powder. For this flour, I use it most time for potato fufu. If another person give me this kind of fufu, I might not eat because of the color, but because I am the one that make it, at least I am sure of what I am consuming. It shock you, make it not shock you. Virtuous family, the potato flour is ready. Sieve it to avoid particles. Use it for your soup as a thickener or use it for your fufu and enjoy. Don't mind the color, that is potato for you. Here I present to you, Virtuous family, the potato starch and the flour. You can use it as a thickener for soup, gravy, sauce, pie fillings, pastries and more. Store in an airtight container and use it anytime you want. Hope you enjoyed today's video just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.